Hello everyone! Welcome to Sveta's Menu Cooking Channel. Today we're going to make a delicious cottage cheese casserole. And of course, the first thing we need is cottage cheese. I'm using soft, smooth cottage cheese without any lumps. If yours has lumps, just press it through a sieve to make it nice and creamy. I already have a paste-like version ready. We'll need 1 kilogram, about 2.2 pounds of cottage cheese. Next, we'll need 4 eggs and 8 tablespoons of sour cream. The fat content of the sour cream doesn't really matter. Mine is 18% fat. We'll also need a pinch of salt and 1 packet of vanilla sugar, which is 16 grams, about 0.56 ounces. Add 5 tablespoons of sugar and 8 tablespoons of semolina. We'll also need a little butter to grease the baking dish. So let's get started. We're going to mix all the ingredients together, step by step. First, add the eggs. Now I'll add the salt, vanilla sugar, and regular sugar. This recipe is very quick and easy to put together. The only time-consuming part is baking. I'm just using a spoon. No fancy tools needed. Add the semolina, and immediately follow with the sour cream. By the way, you can start preheating your oven now to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Now mix everything well. So, everything is mixed and ready to go. This is the consistency you should have in your batter. Now we'll transfer it into the baking dish. Take your baking dish and a chunk of butter. Don't be stingy with it. Make sure to grease the entire dish thoroughly, all the way up the sides. The casserole rises a lot in the oven, so keep that in mind. But unfortunately, after baking, it will deflate a bit. That's totally normal and doesn't affect the taste. Once the dish is greased, pour in the batter. Spread it out evenly. I've added all of our cottage cheese mixture to the dish. Now place it in the preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 hour. Guys, the casserole is ready. It puffed up beautifully and got slightly golden around the edges. Now, as expected, it will deflate a little, but that won't change how amazing it tastes. It's still absolutely delicious. Let's take a look inside. I've sliced it open, and what can I say? This is a masterpiece. I topped it with a little jam and sprinkled some powdered sugar on top. Look how beautiful it turned out. And I'm gonna try it. Simply divine. I left mine in the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Let's have a taste together. It's incredibly delicious. I highly recommend you give it a try. Make it for your family and loved ones. It's sure to be a hit with the kids. Sweet, tasty, and even a little healthy. Try it out, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit like. See you next time! This was Sveta's Menu Cooking Channel. Bye-bye!